Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from ebangaloreproperty.com. This is Cozy Home number 22 located near Manyata Tech Park, North Bangalore. BDA Ekhata site measuring 20 by 30 north facing, planned as per Vastu. Ground floor parking, one car and couple of two-wheelers can be parked, and 2 studio units. I will come back later to that. First floor, second floor, duplex 3 BHK house. North facing entrance, planned as per Vastu. So it's a very good option if you are planning to live yourself and get rental income out of the studio units below. Beautiful elevation design, LED lighting and interior work. Vitrified flooring, 2x4, digital vitrified flooring. So as you enter into the house, this is the large living room. UPVC windows will be provided. Final finishing, fittings, painting, polishing is yet to be done. So below the steps there is a UPS point. Storage can be done. Fully modular kitchen with hydraulic and soft closing baskets, granite platform, 2 feet wall tiles, and this is a utility area secured with safety grill. Solid cement blocks and pillar based construction. So this floor has hall, kitchen, bedroom and bathroom, attached bathroom. Above, 2 bedrooms, 2 attached bathrooms. So this room, 2 side windows are there. This is towards the duct behind, near the kitchen utility. Cera brand fittings will be provided in the bathroom. You will get shower and hand wash, toilet. For the staircase, stainless steel railing will be provided. So we are on the second floor, 2 bedrooms, 2 attached bathrooms. So this is master bedroom in the southwest corner. Attached bathroom is there. Large window towards the duct behind. This is the dressing area. Sliding door for the wardrobe. Attached bathroom. UPVC windows will be coming everywhere. So once it is completed, you'll get the actual finished product. UPVC is sound proof, almost 80 to 90% sound reduction, noise reduction, also fire resistant. So this is wardrobe with hydraulic cabinets, hydraulic doors, center place for bed, attached bathroom and balcony is also there. Europa locks. This is the balcony in the northeast corner towards the roadside. Above there is open terrace, staircase room and open terrace area. Totally 1800 square feet of super built up area. This is the terrace. This is the duct towards the kitchen. Now we are on the ground floor. Ground floor, 2 studio units are made. Very unique concept. So you get hall, kitchen, bathroom, and above that bed sleeping area above the kitchen and the bathroom. There is also small utility space for bachelors, working people, because it is close to Manyata Tech Park. People working in Manyata can rent out this space, and students, college students, anyone, 1 or 2 people can share this each studio unit. So keeping that in mind, they have made this option. So right above this loft space, there is a wardrobe, and bed can be kept there on top. Queen size bed, direct mattress actually, not the cot and all. So another unit similar to that. So 2 studio units, around 7,000 to 8,000 each rent can be expected from this. 15,000 rental income you can expect while you are staying in the duplex house. Please read the description for complete details. It's a BDA property, Ekhata 20 by 30 BDA allotted site, located near Manyata Tech Park, close to Jakur off New Airport Road, connected via Ring Road also. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.